In the realm of relationships, making a lasting impression involves more than just presence. It's about leaving a mark that lingers in someone's thoughts. Whether you're looking to rekindle a connection or enhance an existing one, these 10 tips will guide you on how to make them miss you, think of you, and desire you. 1. Create mystery and intrigue. Maintain an element of mystery in your life. Don't reveal everything at once, leaving them curious and eager to discover more about you. 2. Be unpredictable. Inject spontaneity into your interactions. Surprise them with unexpected gestures or activities to keep the relationship dynamic and exciting. 3. Build emotional connections. Forge deep emotional bonds by sharing your thoughts, fears, and dreams. Authentic conversations create a strong foundation for a lasting connection. 4. Prioritize personal growth. Focusing on your personal development not only enriches your life, but also makes you more captivating. An evolving individual is naturally appealing. 5. Show genuine interest. Demonstrate sincere interest in their life, opinions, and aspirations. Actively listen and engage in conversations to make them feel valued. 6. Maintain independence. While closeness is essential, preserving individuality is equally important. Nurture your independence, allowing both of you to grow as individuals within the relationship. 7. Leave a lasting impression. Make your time together memorable. Plan unique experiences that create lasting memories, reinforcing the idea that you're someone special. 8. Use social media strategically. Craft a captivating online presence that highlights your interests and achievements. A thoughtfully curated profile can leave a positive and lasting impression. 9. Be confident and positive. Confidence is attractive. Embrace positivity, both in your outlook and the energy you bring to the relationship, making them drawn to your uplifting presence. 10. Give them space. Allowing space in the relationship fosters a sense of longing. Let them miss you by balancing closeness with moments of independence. Conclusion. Mastering the art of making someone miss you involves a delicate balance of presence and absence, intimacy and mystery. By incorporating these 10 tips into your approach, you can create a profound impact that resonates, making you unforgettable in their thoughts and desires. Hey friends, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Greetings.